In the numerator, first we do this multiplication. 1 over 4 times 4. We can easily cancel this 4 and this 4. So in the numerator, we have just 4 divided by 1, which equals 4. So 4 over this 4, which gives us 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So in the numerator, first we have to do this division, not this multiplication. Okay? So first this division, 4 divided by 1 over 4. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we have 4 times 4, and again times 4 over this 4. No, we can easily cancel this 4 and this 4. So we have just 4 times 4. 4 times 4, which equals 16. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 16.